Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a T10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, disconnect your Dyson SV14 from the charger and remove the dust canister. This will give you better access to the trigger mechanism. Next, using the T10 Torx screwdriver, remove the 2 screws located near the trigger. Set these screws aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be small components that can fall out. If you find any debris inside, use the soft brush to clean the area thoroughly before proceeding. Now, take the new trigger assembly and align it with the vacuum body. Before you secure it, ensure that it's properly seated in place. If you don't have the tools for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. With the trigger assembly in position, replace the screws using the T10 Torx screwdriver. Make sure they are tightened but do not over-tighten, as this may strip the plastic. If you need assistance at any point, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation to help you understand what needs to be done. After securing the screws, test the new trigger by pressing it to ensure it functions correctly. If it feels loose or unresponsive, double-check that it is properly installed. Once satisfied, reattach the dust canister. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, keep in mind that we also offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the cost up front. This way, you can make an informed decision without any unexpected surprises. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the trigger on your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner and enjoy its full functionality once again. Make sure to regularly maintain your vacuum to keep it running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.